Hello, everyone. I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today, I will explain how to set up a parent and child link between layers. Let's begin. Let's start. In the After Effects layer, you can set up a parent link in which one layer is the parent layer and the other layer is the child layer. If you add animation to the parent layer, the child layer will also perform similar animations. There are many cases that the null object layer is set as the parent, but at this time, I will use the image layer to explain the parent link setting. First, let's set up a parent and child link between layers. This is the composition panel, which has two layers of images, the After Effects logo and the hand image. For now, we will set the hand image as the parent layer and the After Effects logo as the child layer. This is the timeline panel. There are two layers on the timeline in the composition. The order of the layers does not affect the parent and link setting. Parent and link will be displayed in the timeline panel. If it is not displayed, right-click this section. Then, the menu appears like this. Select Columns, check Parent and Link, and then the Parent and Link button will show in the timeline panel. Then, we will go on setting the After Effects logo as the child and the pointing image as the parent. Drag the Pick Whip button from the child layer to the parent layer. The blue line then appears, extending from the Pick Whip. In this way, the parent's layer name will be displayed in the parent link section of the child layer. This time, the After Effects logo was the child layer. You can see that the parent layer hand image is specified in the parent and link section. After setting up the parent and link, let's try moving the parent layer. This is how the layers are displayed in the composition panel. When I move the parent hand image like this, the After Effects logo will move together. Then I move the child layer, the After Effects logo. Unlike before, the hand image does not follow. After the parent and link connection has been set up, the child layer will follow the movements of the parent layer, but the child layer can freely set the position. This concludes my explanation on how to set up the parent link between layers. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.